This is a welding platen, an Acorn or Weldsale style of table. It is 5 inches thick on the outside, 48 inches deep, and 16 inches wide. It has been sent out to a grinding shop, professionally ground. The bottom edge around the outside has been ground down, and the entire top has been ground. So if you were to put it on a base, it would be perfectly level. We do have 3 of these available. Feel free to check any pictures for any specific details about each one. This is a very heavy duty version. It doesn't have the thin top. It's 2.5 inches thick through the hole. So it's the heavy duty top. And the holes are between 1 5/8 and 1 3/4 in diameter. You can get an assortment of different kind of clamps for those. And they also have 4 holes down each side, which could also be used for clamping here. We have delivery available on our trucks, most part of the eastern United States, and many other welding tables available. Please check our website out.